something very important on USDJPY and Euro USD at this very area. I'll be talking about this and how you can better position yourself for the next trading week. So this is a weekly wrap up. So pay attention to this very video and what you should be expecting in the next week of trading. So definitely watch this video to the very end. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other forex videos, educational content, and technical analysis. Right here on the USDJPY, you see the markets have been moving to the upside all the way from this very area to the upside to this very level of important resistance. So this very level of resistance is very, very important and key in the market right at this very point. And the markets have not broken this very level yet. So I am expecting the market not to break this very area. Rather, we're going to see the market to move back to the downside. So if you look at the progressive movement of this very price action, market move all the way from here upward, and we have this correction or retracement, market move again, and the market come back down a little bit. Right now, market move to the upside and fail to create a significant new high. Okay, so market is going to come back down for a good correction before continuation to the upside on the USDJPY price chart. And this is the 1-day chart, remember. So from this very area where the market is right now, from next week of trading, expect the market to move downward before the next move to the upside. And this is very, very important. Now, another thing you need to pay attention to on this very chart is that if you go to the 4-hour chart, the market seems to be very, very clear and giving us a better understanding of what buyers and sellers are doing at this very point. So if you look at this critically, you discover that the markets have been at this very range, okay, and break the range at this very point. So markets break the range at this very area, create a new low, and then come back to the upside, fail to create a new high at this very point. For the purpose of market failing to create a new high at this very area, then it means that from this very point, market is going to continue this movement to the downside. And what I want to see on the 4-hour chart is a creation of a new low, lower than the previous low at this very point. Okay, so this very area, as the market open next week of trading, will be a nice place to place a sell position from for the market to move to the downside on USDJPY. This is very, very important, guys, and you need to pay attention to this on the chart right now. And lastly, on Euro USD, you see the market at this very point on the 4-hour chart, market is at this very area. But before I come to this 4-hour chart, if you look at what was happening on the 1-day chart this week, you see the market has been coming back to the downside from this very area of important resistance. Market come back right down and create a new low, lower than the previous low at this very point, at this very area. And what that means is we see a liquidity grab to the downside before the market pick up to the upside. And from here, market is, gradually coming back to the downside with loss of momentum from the bears. So what this means is the market is going to come back down a little bit and begin to move to the upside from next week. So what you should be paying attention to on the lower time frame, or the 4-hour or 1-hour or 15 minutes, is the market moving to the upside. After a little move to the downside, market should begin to move upward. So what you have to do is to pay attention to buying the market on Euro USD. So what you need to be doing on the 4-hour chart is very, very important, because the 4-hour chart is giving us something very, very specific right here. So what I am expecting is the market to break out on this very level of resistance before you begin to take any buy position on the 4-hour chart Euro USD. So this very area of resistance is very, very important for me. The market should move upwards from this very point and break this level. Once we see that breakout, is a confirmation that the bears are no longer in the market and the bulls are going to move the market to the upside in the next trading day. Okay, so this is what you need to pay attention to right now. So pay attention to the market breaking out on this level of resistance. Once you see this level of resistance broken, that the market is going to move upward, retrace, and continue in this upward formation on Euro USD. This is what I'm paying attention to, and this is what I'm watching right now on this very chart. And this is very, very important. So a recap of this very video is that for Euro USD, expect the market to break this before you begin to look for buy position, and the market is going to move upward. That is my projection after this very breakout of resistance. And for USDJPY, look for sell opportunity to the downside. Market should continue this movement to the downside to the creation of a new low at this very point. This is what I am expecting right now, and this is what you need to pay attention to as we resume next week of trading. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. And also check the channel for other forex videos, educational content, and technical analysis. Don't forget to check the description of this very video. You see my recommended broker, and follow the link down below and do your registration right now. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.